Hi, welcome to the Hour Workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the PT18G pneumatic brad nailer. The PT18G offers quality tool performance at an affordable price. Made of lightweight die-cast aluminum, it's easy to handle, yet durable enough for consistent use. The PT18G has an easy load magazine with a nail guide to help you select the proper brad nail for your project. This tool comes complete with a rubber comfort grip, an adjustable exhaust cover, a convenient trigger for quick operation, and a contact safety to prevent misfires. Plus, the nail indicator window lets you see when brads are running low, and the easy release latch makes reloading a breeze. The quick release front cover makes it very easy to clear a jam. Included in the box are the owner's manual, pneumatic oil, and 2 hex keys to help maintain the tool. This tool comes with air fittings and operates on home compressors up to 120 psi. The PT18G is the perfect companion for most woodworking, trim, and molding projects. Thanks for stopping by the Hour Workshop. We hope you enjoy your new tool.